Welcome everyone to our first segment, and I welcome you on behalf of Seher Foundation. Seher Foundation works for the underprivileged, and basically we work for the in the education sector and in the health sector. Now, since the outbreak of the COVID-19, since this virus came into our country, पूरी कंट्री हमारी एक तरह से इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से स्टैंड स्टिल पर आ गई है। इस दौरान हम लोग किस तरीके से जो जो प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस कर रहे हैं, जो हमारे नॉर्मल इंडिविजुअल्स जो ऑर्डिनरी पीपल हैं वो जिस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस कर रहे हैं उनसे डील करने के लिए हमने इस सेगमेंट की शुरुआत करी है, जिसमें पहले हमने एक सर्वे किया था। जिस सर्वे में हमने ये पता किया कि लोगों की प्रॉब्लम्स क्या क्या है, लोग किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ डील कर रहे हैं और अब उन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स के सोल्यूशन क्या हो सकते हैं, उसके लिए हमने इस सेगमेंट को स्टार्ट किया है। सो in our first segment, we have with us Miss Runki Mitra. She is a special educator at Cambridge School, Noida, and she is also a child psychologist at Kailash Hospital. So, welcome, ma'am. Now, let's start. Let's start with the basic question. The country has been under the lockdown for 70 days. Now everything is open. Things are opening again slowly. And but what do you think? Still, is the general mood of the people?
See, the general mood is that of speculation, of that of uncertainty. Uh, बहुत कुछ बदल चुका है इस 2-3 महीनों के दौरान और बहुत लोगों में काफी ज्यादा सवाल है कि आगे क्या होगा। काफी ज्यादा रेस्टलेसनेस भी है क्योंकि काफी दिनों से लॉकडाउन का पीरियड चल रहा था एंड सडनली एवरीथिंग इज ओपन नाउ एंड हर रोज हम अखबार में या फिर न्यूज पे देखते हैं नंबर ऑफ केसेस आर राइजिंग। तो काफी अनरेस्ट है सिचुएशन एंड पीपल आर स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट। तो थोड़ी एंजाइटी भी है, थोड़ा सा डर भी है कि इफ आई गो आउटसाइड व्हाट इफ आई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट द वायरस। तो लॉट ऑफ स्पेकुलेशन इज देयर एंड थोड़ा सा शायद एक गुस्सा भी है कि नाउ सिंस द इकोनॉमी हैज कम डाउन एंड people are trying to find new ways to earn money and there are people who are lost jobs. So काफी situation is tense, but yes, over a period of time it will come down to its normal state again. But at this moment, yes, lot of unrest in the country, I would say.
Yes, because even though everything is opened up and people are ready to move forward, but still the cases are still rising. How safe it is for us to go out right at the moment. Anyway, it brings me to my next question. The restlessness, loneliness, and because of the economic problem, the loss of jobs. And when we were conducting this survey, we find out that a lot of people have lost their jobs during this time, and they are very restless, which is general, which is a normal reaction, because when you lose a job and you don't know where the next paycheck is going to come from, obviously
Right.
you will feel restless, and this is also leading people have stated this reason that because of this they are feeling depressed, they are anxious, which is a common reaction to this kind of problem. So what do you suggest for these people? How can they cope
Right.
up with
First of
this?
all, yes. Uh, the concern is people are losing their jobs. There's a lot of insecurity in their minds. But ये कह देना कि डिप्रेशन स्टेप इन हो चुका है या फिर लोग डिप्रेशन में जा रहे हैं गलत होगा, बिकॉज डिप्रेशन एक क्लिनिकल कंडीशन है और हर इंसान का अपने सिचुएशन से डील करने का तरीका अलग होता है। यस, जिनको ऑलरेडी डिप्रेशन रह चुका है या दे हैव बीन डायग्नोस्ड विद कंडीशन ऑफ डिप्रेशन, they are more prone or they're more susceptible to falling into the step again in case they are into this crisis. But हर किसी का ये कह देना कि जिनकी इस वक्त नौकरी छूट गई है they are falling prey to depression is going to be a little incorrect. And yes, it's important to build up one's coping mechanism at this moment of time because अभी सिचुएशन को साधारण वापस से नॉर्मल आने में वक्त लगेगा and the idea is to keep holding on to the faith that I'm trying and I'm not the only one in this particular situation. मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, they are struggling to find new avenues and things will come back to normal. So with that hope and keeping that faith in mind, one should and positive outlook का होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है इस वक्त, right?
Well,
But ऐसा बिल्कुल गलत होगा ये कहना कि people are going into depression. Yes, there might be a state of despair, there might be a state of sadness, of course there should be a feeling of fluctuating mood swings, definitely सब कुछ ये होगा, but depression I won't say that. Yes.
so, all right, and now another thing that came up while during this survey is that there is a there's a drastic change in the sleeping patterns as well as in the eating habits of people. Some people are eating a lot, some people are eating less, and the reason that they have stated, uh, they say that because most of the time we have nothing else to do, so what, let's just eat something or let's just cook something now. uh, at one hand, when they are cooking in the kitchen or spending time with the family, it's a good sign, it's a good thing. But then eating wrong kind of food, do you think that will automatically leads to other health problems later on?
Yes. एंड अब अगर ये कहें कि ये सिचुएशन, ये हालात नॉर्मल है, गलत होगा, बिकॉज इट्स एन एबनॉर्मल सिचुएशन दैट वी आर डीलिंग विद एवरी डे. आवर वर्क स्टाइल्स हैव बिकम डिफरेंट, आवर लाइफस्टाइल हैज बिकम डिफरेंट, एंड देयर इज नो regimen which is being followed. So you can get up any point of the day, you can go off to sleep at any point of the day. तो इस तरह के बहुत unscattered situation में बहुत लाजमी है कि people would look for comfort factors. एंड फूड से बड़ा कंफर्ट फैक्टर तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता. बट यस, इफ यू इंडल्ज इनटू wrong food habits, obviously it will lead to health concern. It will not just lead to health concerns, it will also develop a poor self image, once you start putting on more weight, and people will start questioning all that issues. So it's important to find out कि इस food के अलावा कोई और comfort factor हम लोग इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इस point of time में. Can we channelize our energy, or can we routinize our day in a way that we have activities that we look forward to, activities which will help us to channelize our thoughts, bring more positivity in the environment, have more disciplined lifestyle. हमेशा खाना बनाना या खाना जरूरी नहीं होता है. At times you need to be getting into other things. Lot of, see, हमारे पास वैसे आमतौर की जिंदगी में इतना वक्त नहीं होता है that हम एक क्रिएटिव हॉबी चुन सके या फिर किसी परस्यूट पे लग सके जहां पर हम लोग do something just to fulfill our own desires. So at this moment of time it's a good idea to introspect कि मुझे क्या करना अच्छा लगता है, किस चीज में मुझे वक्त ज्यादा देना चाहिए. Inculcate into hobbies like cooking or designing or painting, drawing, singing, anything. It should not be only eating which can become a comfort factor.
Yes, and
So once,
they
yeah,
can engage themselves productively. Pick up any
absolutely.
hobby, learn
And
something new,
anything
do
which gives you
something.
comfort will help you to feel happy. So can we think of more factors which will bring comfort to our life? Simply playing with your child, simply involving your child in daily activities can help you to become more conscious parent, as to not engage into wrong eating habits for yourself and as well as for your own child.
Yes.
So एक
Um,
तरह का हमें एक रूटीन
एक
लाइफस्टाइल
रूटीन
मेंटेन करना
सेट
बहुत
करना
जरूरी
जरूरी है अभी भी,
है.
मतलब
एब्सोल्युटली.
क्योंकि हम एक उसमें हम कोई सेट पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी एक
राइट.
रूटीन अपने आप सेट करना पड़ेगा कि इस टाइम उठेंगे, इस टाइम से सोना है. एक्सरसाइज कैन प्ले अ वेरी गुड रोल. एक्सरसाइज को
एब्सोल्युटली.
हम अ, इनका बीच अपने डेली रूटीन में ऐड कर सकते हैं, जहाँ हम
राइट. जो भी चीज हमारे
20-15
माइंड या
मिनट्स.
बॉडी को ठीक रख सके वो हमें
हाँ,
हैबिट्स
तो एक
इनकलकेट
एक
करनी
रूटीन
चाहिए
सेट
इसमें.
करने की जरूरत है. ओके.
बिल्कुल.
नाउ व्हाट अनदर थिंग जिससे हम इस टाइम डील कर रहे हैं वो है वर्क फ्रॉम होम. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबody इज वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. So in that case, when we go to office or when we go to our work, to school or to our workplace, mostly we have a set timing. We go at 8 o'clock, we come back by 3 o'clock, 3:30, or we come back by 7, whatever is our timing. But now, since we are at home and we are working from home, uh, people feel that we are working round the clock. All the time we are working. Anytime the mails are coming, or different schedules are coming, and we have to adjust our home activities according to it. So this balance between the needs of the family and the work, somehow this work from home is also creating a certain pressure on people, kind of pressure on people, because they are not able. They are finding that it is very difficult to balance, and especially the environment. You need a certain kind of environment to work. So जब वो environment हमें घर पे create करना is very difficult, और उसमें हमें घर की needs को भी देखना है और काम को भी देखना है. तो ये balance कहीं ना कहीं लोग create नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करोगे कि किस तरीके से लोग जो है ये बैलेंस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं? कुछ एक दो टिप्स.
Right. See, balance हमेशा से ही जरूरी था. When we had worked outside home, then also the balance was needed. Once we come back home, we had to give our time to our family. sometimes to our work as well. But now at this moment, वो जो boundaries थी, वो जो दायरा था, वो बिल्कुल नहीं है. So we cannot differentiate कि this is workplace and this is our home place. It has merged, right? And also to understand कि सिर्फ हम काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, the spouse is also working, the child is also having his online classes.
Yes.
हम तीनों का, if you're a member in the family, there are 3 people, so 3 of them are using laptops and mobiles to, you know, go for work, and
Yes, yes.
also children also taking online classes. तो इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है एक तालमेल का होना. So there are times when you are working hard pressed, so somebody can pitch in the part of the household chore you're supposed to do. Somebody else can do it. Maybe your husband can do it, or if he is working, then you can pitch in to provide that support. So it has to be a teamwork, right? More the number of members in the families, the teamwork would be more effective, right? And also to think of it कि एक हमारी जो सोच होती थी कि ये घर का काम है, ये बाहर का काम है, तो हमें अपनी सोच में भी थोड़ा सा बदलाव लाने की जरूरत है. अगर हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे, ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग सिचुएशन. राउंड द क्लॉक लगता है, सी इफ यू थिंक ऑफ इट, देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन वी सिट ऑन द लैपटॉप, बट एक साइकोलॉजिकली टेंशन होती है कि कहीं मेल तो नहीं आ गया, कहीं कोई मीटिंग तो हमें अटेंड नहीं करनी. बट एक सोच बदलने की जरूरत है कि हाँ ऐसा होगा, बट देयर विल बी टाइम्स व्हेन आई विल स्पेंड माय टाइम विद द फैमिली. सो मेंटली हमें शायद वो फिजिकली कंपार्टमेंटलाइज हम इस वक्त नहीं कर पाए, बट मेंटली हमें कंपार्टमेंटलाइज करने की जरूरत है. एंड फॉर दैट the key role is towards the other family members who are going to help you to pitch in with the. So there should be a work division between the two of you, or between the other members of the family. So when you're working, they are taking the responsibility of the house, and when they are working, you should, you know, take the responsibility.
So we
So
all
it has to be done hand in hand, right?
teamwork, huh?
Yes, it has to be a teamwork. And
So
so,
yes.
and also to restrict your environment, suppose you have a particular corner where you are sitting with your laptop, so that should be considered as a workplace. Even the children should know that this is papa's workplace, or this is mama's workplace, and they should restrict their, you know, intrusion into that. तो वो जरूरी है. तो एक तरह का mental compartmentalization इस वक्त जरूरी है, जिससे कि आप अच्छे से हर चीज मैनेज कर पाओ. And of course the teamwork.
Okay, so you are a special educator, right? And I'm a teacher. So we know that in our classroom we have different kind of students, and sometimes we have students who have physical disability, or some learning disability. So online classes are going on, and almost all the schools and colleges, they are doing their lectures online. Uh, how do you think it will affect these children? You know, these children in a regular classroom also, if a child is suffering, is having a learning disability, child needs attention more than the other students. If that attention is required for that child. Now, in online classes, do you think that because it is not possible for the teacher to give that kind of attention to one particular child in an online classroom, especially? So, how do you think it is affecting those children, and what do you want to say to the parents of these children? How to deal with their child and with their education at this point of time, so that the child will not suffer?
See, being a special educator, children with different kinds of special needs, if we talk about, the response to your question would be very varied. For example, if I say a visually impaired child, for a child with visual impairment, using technology like internet or Microsoft or whatever, Zoom, whatever, is going to be challenging because the child will not see the visual part of it. And auditory information kitna effective hoga wo hame nahi malum. The child is used to writing down in braille and giving the responses in other channels, so it is difficult. But yes, it's a challenge, of course. Children with learning difficulty, it's sometimes is a boon, because with technology you can use modalities which otherwise हमारे पास इतना readily accessible नहीं होता है. जैसे for example, if you're teaching a concept, so you have an access to the internet where you can show different resources about that particular concept to that child, so that it's much more holistic learning for the child. Yes, so हम जो dyslexic बच्चे होते हैं उनको हम different modality से पढ़ाने की कोशिश करते हैं. So in that way I will see this as a boon, right? Obviously to handle such a large number of children and handle children one to one is definitely a big challenge. And अगर हम ADHD बच्चों की बात करें, तो ADHD बच्चों में प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि वो ज्यादा देर फोकस नहीं कर पाते हैं. And to watch a screen for 45 minutes or 1 hour is a huge difficult task for a child. So maybe having short periods of classes with them, or in that way I would say the parents can be very supportive if they can be part of the classroom scenario, if they can, kind of help the child to sustain his attention, uh, provide, more interactive activities to the child related to the concept. Definitely आसान तो नहीं है, but at this moment these things can help. If you help the child, ADHD child, with these kind of activities, attention building activities at home, तो उसके लिए बैठकर class attend करना आसान होगा. And also sometimes reinforcement work with them very well. So for example, if he's done a concept very well in the classroom, then he can be rewarded by the parents
Positive
by any kind
reinforcement.
of positive reinforcement. Yeah, so something the child will look forward to and will focus better, right? See, we are not expecting 100% response from the child, but at least it's better than nothing. It's better than not really getting any response at all. So in that way one can work around. So it's a challenge, and sometimes this kind of a situation also equips a child to deal with difficult situation or crisis situations in a more effective way, right?
Also, let's talk about children in general. uh, we say that children need sports as much as they need their education, or as much as they need their classes and all that lessons. So nowadays we can say that this sports part is practically not there at all. बच्चे बाहर नहीं जा
Right.
पा रहे हैं, बच्चे नहीं
नहीं जा
खेल
रहे.
पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो पार्क्स वगैरह में अभी नहीं जा सकते, उनको घर में ही रहना है. घर में जो उनके पास ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है वो बोर्ड गेम्स है, या फिर अगेन दे आर स्पेंडिंग टाइम ऑन मोबाइल्स प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम्स और थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बट ये जो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी है वो बच्चों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी होना बच्चों के लिए नहीं, सभी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि वो जो पेंट अप एनर्जी होती है उसको रिलीज होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. तो अब इस सिचुएशन में जब बच्चे बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, आप घर में इस तरह की कौन सी एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं वो, जिससे ये एनर्जी भी रिलीज हो और जिनसे उनकी फिजिकल हेल्थ भी मेंटेन रहे.
Right. And also, it is important to channelize this physical energy, because otherwise the child will be frustrated. And if the
Yes,
child is frustrated, the work environment, the home environment gets
definitely, exactly.
affected. Creative होना बहुत जरूरी है. To think of ways where the child can participate in physical activities. Physical activities का सिर्फ ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप खेल रहे हैं या कुछ भी, but हाँ, physical activities का मतलब ये भी होता है that you are helping your parent in the house, or you're doing household work where you get the responsibility of accomplishing tasks, which not only will channelize your physical energy, but also help in easing out the work pressure of parents as well as the child. So asking the child to clean his own wardrobe, or asking the child to make up his own bed, or cleaning the house in whatever little way, whatever, depending on the age of the child and the maturity, you can assign tasks to the child and reward the child accordingly. Also, physical activities could be just kind of, helping the child in doing a lot of other things. Like, for example, see, this part of the house looks really shabby, so can we do something about it? So assign tasks to clean the house and arranging shelves and stuff like that. And physical activities would also mean doing a lot of creative ideas. For example, having online dance classes. The child can enjoy dancing activities in the house, and even the parent can be a part of it. So sometimes it's fun to be part of such physical activities. And believe me, if you engage your child in this manner, the child will not really miss so much going out in the playground and playing. Obviously, he's missing out on his friends, अपने दोस्तों को मिस करता है, वो पार्ट तो रहेगा, बट एटलीस्ट एक जो बोरियत या एक बोर्डम वाली जो फीलिंग आती है वो स्टीपन नहीं करती. अगर आप रोज दिन में 2 बार बच्चे के साथ मिलकर एक्सरसाइज करते हो, एंड यू हैव म्यूजिक प्लेइंग ऑन इन द बैकग्राउंड, सो द चाइल्ड वुड लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट. इवन
It's
स्मॉल
a good
टॉडलर्स
bonding
लव डूइंग दोस
opportunity
थिंग्स.
also, no?
Yes. So again, building it in the part of the routine, that physical part, physical activity is a part of the daily routine for the child as well as for the adult. So that will ease out all that boredom.
Okay, let's come to old people now. Uh, Elderly people. What happens now with elderly people? It happens that although most of them are living with their families, but still they have their own social circle, and most of it, like for example, they go to worship places, or they go to community centers, or for a walk, and they have their only, that is only their interaction with the outside world, and most of the time वहीं पर वो अपना टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, उनके फ्रेंड्स वहीं हैं, उनका एक कनेक्शन जो है सोसाइटी से वो वहीं से बनता है. उन लोगों के लिए जब घर में अब दे आर ऑल्सो इन द हाउस, और उनके पास इस टाइम बाहर वो नहीं जा सकते. अब ऑब्वियसली वर्शिप प्लेसेस खुल रही हैं, लोगों को अलाउ किया जा रहा है, लेकिन अभी भी ये है कि सेट नंबर, एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ पीपल कैन एंटर एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, और इस तरह के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं. तो जो लोग और ओल्ड जो एल्डरली पीपल है उनको ज़्यादा इफेक्ट भी कर रहा है ये वायरस जो है, तो उनकी सेफ्टी के लिए क्या क्या ज़रूरी हो सकता है, और उनकी मेंटल वेलबींग के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी है? हाँ,
Temples and malls खुल चुके हैं, but again a concern is even if they're one wouldn't want one's elderly, parents to go out, step out of the house, because they are much more vulnerable than
यस,
the rest of the population, because they will fall prey to this virus very easily. तो उनका घर पर रहना बहुत जरूरी है, और घर पर रहकर भी मेंटल वेलबींग का ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है, because these people they tend to kind of feel depressed, or feel disappointed
यस,
that they are not able to meet their friends. उनका एक अपना जो रूटीन था, जो रोज वो वॉक करने जाते थे अपने दोस्तों के साथ, वो खत्म हो चुका है. So thinking of ways to help them, maybe involving them in decision making of the family, involving them in the daily household running, involving them कि okay, I want you to help me in this, can you guide me? Sometimes they feel valued if
यस,
you seek their opinion. So making efforts to involve them in every part of the daily activity, that is important. Secondly,
इन्वॉल्व
उनका
करना
ये जो
जरूरी
सोचने का ढंग या नजरिया है कि सिर्फ मिलने से ही एक इंटरेक्शन हो सकता है, we can
है।
encourage them to be part of social media. Why not? I mean, social media can be a boon at this point of time. They can be in touch with their friends through WhatsApp, through Facebook, and
वीडियो
other
कॉल्स
social
एंड दे
media
कैन ऑल
sites.
डू।
And every day they can be in, yeah, video calls. And they can be part of each other's life and still maintain that contact and really don't miss out. So, uh, being protective about them and also being supportive is very important at this point of time. So they make more friends and they be in touch with them. That will definitely help in maintaining their positive mental health.
Okay, now, just one more question that this whole pandemic has also, people are because of this, people are also experiencing a phenomena of negative self-appraisal. They have started thinking that nothing can be done. ये फीलिंग भी बहुत सारे लोगों में आ गई है कि कुछ नहीं हो सकता, एंड अगर चीजें ऐसे खराब हो रही हैं तो हो रही हैं, एंड इफ वी आर गोइंग टू डाई, मे बी वी आर गोइंग टू डाई, पीपल आर बिकमिंग, देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ hopelessness in it. So, what do you think is the long-term effect of it?
कि ये कहना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है कि इसका कोई लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट होगा भी या नहीं. अगर हुआ तो वी डोंट नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज गोइंग टू बी द लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट, बट यस, एट दिस मोमेंट इफ आई फील होपलेस, अगर मुझे एक हताश की फीलिंग आ रही है कि क्या होगा, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, वन इज प्रोन टू, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. So it may lead to losing confidence in one's own abilities, and it
Yes.
may lead to losing one's own self-esteem. That is going to be there, but I'm not very sure how. I mean, it will impact in the long-term range. Yes, if this situation continues, definitely a long-term impact will happen. And again, the it's easier said than done, but with time people would, and see, human beings are well equipped to adapt themselves to any kind of situation. That's the beauty of our mind, right? With this kind of a situation also, people are going out, they're helping others, they're volunteering to, organizations like yours are helping others to come out of this crisis period. So with time people will find ways to work around this situation, obviously maintaining the sanitation part of it, maintaining the hygiene and the safety part of it, and to think that we are not alone. So the entire world is, struggling
Suffering.
with it,
Yes, struggling
and
right now.
sooner or later a vaccine will develop. And keeping that positivity in mind, one should, just take this situation in this stride and
तो
just
हमको
think that this too
नेगेटिव
shall pass.
देखने की बजाय थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव होके भी सोचने की जरूरत है, अब
हाँ,
थोड़ा सा एक दूसरे की हेल्प
पॉजिटिव होने की
करके
जरूरत है.
वी शुड फील बेटर।
देखिए, ये
और
अगर सोचा जाए तो इस तरह का टाइम शायद दोबारा वापस नहीं आएगा, व्हेन यू हैव द एंटायर डे टू योरसेल्फ. तो जो कुछ आप अभी तक नहीं कर पाए, जिन जिन चीजों के लिए आपको वक्त नहीं मिला, तो वी कैन ट्राई ऑल दैट. सो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, टू बिल्ड ऑन समथिंग व्हिच यू हैव ऑलवेज बीन वांटिंग टू. तो एक पॉजिटिव अप्रोच की जरूरत है, तो शायद ये वक्त भी जल्दी कट जाएगा एंड विल बी बैक टू द नॉर्मल रूटीन अगेन.
that brings me to my last question. uh, whatever happened so far, what do you think, like in context of India only, what do you think was one good thing that happened, what is worse for India, and what do you think, let's just some wise words from your side, how we can stay safe during this time, and what should we do, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या अच्छा हुआ, क्या बुरा हुआ, और आगे क्या और हो सकता है.
As I said, this has bring on. I mean, this has actually brought on a new perception to ourselves. I mean, Corona has kind of given a new perception to our living. कि sometimes हम छोटी छोटी चीजों को कितना नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं. And when we look at India, too many religious fights, too many regional disparities, and so many things which we've been witnessing. Suddenly you find those also irrelevant. So somewhere I feel this pandemic has kind of been eye opener for the people to understand that one should forget and one should live for the humankind, and it's important to work for the betterment of the humankind and to kind of dissolve all these disparities and just be together. So at this moment जरूरत ये है कि हमें एक दूसरे का साथ देना है जो हमारे लिए बाहर काम कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो डॉक्टर्स बोले, नर्सेस बोले, the teachers who are working constantly online. So all these people, we are not considering them as Hindus or Muslims. We are just, you know, we know that these people are the real heroes at this point of time. तो इंडिया में ये बहुत बड़ी एक बदलाव जो आने वाला है कि समवेयर हम इस चीज को भूल जाएंगे कौन हिंदू है, कौन क्रिश्चियन है, कौन मुसलमान है. सो समवेयर वी नीड टू बी वर्किंग यूनाइटेड. एंड शायद यही कारण है कि हम इतना ज्यादा उस चीज से अफेक्ट नहीं हुए जितनी बुरी तरह से और कंट्रीज जैसे अमेरिका वगैरह का अफेक्ट हुए, बिकॉज समवेयर वी बिलीव इन आवर लीडर एंड समवेयर हम लोगों ने मिलकर इस चीज को डील करने की कोशिश करी है. तो आई एम श्योर दैट दिस विल कंटिन्यू एंड वी सून विल ओवरकम विद दिस difficult situation.
Yes, hopefully. Uh, we will. Okay, so thank you for joining us, and today, and
My pleasure.
to everyone, to everybody who is watching this video, I say that please stay home, stay safe, and be positive, because इस टाइम पर अगर हम पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तभी हम इस चीज़ को फाइट कर सकते हैं. Don't let yourself go into depression, or don't let negative thoughts dominate you. Be positive and stay safe. Thank you.